25. The Church. Chalcedon Report number 381, April 1997. It is sad that Christians have forgotten the meaning of the word church in the New Testament. It translates ecclesia, an unusual word which meant then the town or ruling council or government for an area. This means that the church was called into being to become, in time, the true ruling body for its given area. It was not to attain this position by means of revolution, nor by political activity, but by obedience to the law of God. As a result, very early, Paul called upon the church to create its own courts of law to adjudicate all problems by means of God's law word. 1 Corinthians chapter 6. In terms of this law, Paul summons Christians to give generously to assist those in need. A variety of activities marked the early church: law, charity, education, health, and more. The church was an empire within the empire, providing government for a growing number of people. Worship was the energizing point. It sent out a people with marching orders for discipling all nations. Matthew chapter 28, verses 18 to 20. Once again, the church is beginning to see itself in these terms. Christian schools and homeschools are areas where the church has again resumed governing. More and more churches are assuming other duties: feeding the homeless, clothing the poor, going into other countries to care for the sick, the blind, and the needy, building shelters, and more. The church is a kingdom whose monarch is the King, Jesus Christ. It has a plan for the peaceful conquest of all things and for the regeneration of fallen men. Instead of hostility towards men and nations, we, in Christ's name, offer peace. Those who counsel aggression, or who want to pass judgment on the nation to justify hostile actions, are wrong. Ours is the Prince of Peace, and we are called to serve him, not to supplement or alter his strategy. When men set aside God's law or any part of his word, they then assume the right to use more, quote, appropriate, end quote, means, and they thereby pervert the faith. Neither the church, nor the faith, nor the Bible are man's property, and man has no right to alter, subtract, or to add to what is God's, not his. As an instrument of God's government, the church must be faithful to its king. It has a mandate to obey, not to supplement his word.